How to turn on ringer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to Assistive Touch at the top. Assistive Touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Over here, turn on the Assistive Touch feature as shown. Now, tap on the Assistive Touch button to open the menu. Tap on Device from the options. Then, tap on Unmute. Tap on it again if you want mute the ringer back. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on ringer on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.